right by a mistake, it's going to be made right for sure.
Elite Bird 3663 dice roll 7 times. Teams first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Patriots up top, the Brownies at the bottom. Seven times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Tyler up top, Spencer at the bottom. Series 2. I remember we sent him like a 50-pound box of Reds base cards.
I remember that. We said everything shipped.
You probably got 4,000 cards in that box. Patriots didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Didn't Doug put signature confirmation on it, too?
I think they did. Well, he had other stuff in there.
Yeah.
It was like a big week for him. He had quite a few, was in quite a few breaks that week. Plus that. Funny thing is, he said that. I remembered what he was talking about. It.
You guys take your spots in the Chrome Mixer. I do have a filler live. 10 spots, 26 per. Top spot gets the Brewers, second gets the Twins, and third gets the Astros. And Chrome HTA half case. 4 through 7 get polls.
These some sort of renegades, or whatever they're called now.
So he had to sign for that thing.
Hey, he's making sure you got all 60 pounds of those, man.
Then you have all the extras like the triple auto bangers and guys like me that pile the low. And our dog coach can get the PSA 9 Mahomes rookie. I'm not bitter.
Joe, if I ever swing up that way, I'm definitely going to swing in at your shop for sure. May just swing up there one day anyway, take a road trip, and just sit there for a few hours and get juiced up, man. Looked at your website a few times, pretty fancy. Are you better than Starbucks, Joe? I'm not a big Starbucks guy, but a lot of people are. Darnell Wright to 9.99 Bears. Garrett Wilson to 3.75 Moxie for the Jets. Red to 96. Weird numbering there. Dak Prescott. Base. Playmakers of Josh Jacobs. To 69, Damian Pierce.
Nice.
What'd you say, Swin?
I just said nice.
Sauce. Anthony Richardson to 3.99 on the orange for the Colts.
There you go, Daniel Rice.
Brock Purdy. Devontae Smith High Life. Filler. Kittle. Lawrence. Jones.
Michael Kennedy, it's 10 spots. 26 per. Top spot gets the Brewers. The second gets the Twins. And third gets the Astros. In Chrome HTA half case 4 through 7 get polls.
Jordan Addison to 9.99. Turn of the Century Auto. Zach Charbonnet to 99.
Spencer, there you go. You're messing everything up here, Bo.
No, I got
What are you doing,
backwards packs, man.
man? They tricked the shit out of you.
They did.
They tricked you real good.
Elite deck, Saquon.
You guys take your squads on the site. That's nice.
11 out of 25, Russ. For the Broncos.
That's a low number.
High Life of Tyreek. Spellbound, George Kittle to 99, Niners.
You guys, fillers live for 3 teams in the half case.
Hendon Hooker for the Lions. Base.
Your superintendent in a different district. I got you, Joe.
$3.99, Josh Jacobs.
It's actually really cool, Joe.
Tank Dell to 99.
You'd give them that opportunity. Focus.
Star status of Amon Ra. It's going to be numbered on the back. To 349. It's pretty cool. Jalen Hyatt for the Giants. At least the kids want to work, man. Michael Mayer, hard to find those young Thundercats that want to work.
I mean, hell, they hired me and I hate it, so. I can't.
Yeah, you were short term, man. You just ended up panning out.
Yeah.
Mike Williams. Marvin Mims on the Pen Pals.
They brought me in for just the summer, and then I guess he can stay. It was a summer job, seasonal. I was a seasonal breaker.
$9.99, Michael Wilson. Last stack here. Joey B. Why some of them are like that, man? Clark Phillips to 56. Drake London. Playmakers. Be the last card of the break. Let's recap it. Still waiting on to get that big Pen Pals.
I had 2 in 1 box last night.
Yeah, looking to get that big one. Like Richardson. Who else could we hit? Marvin Mims. Tank. Hooker. 99 Charbonnet. Addison. Anthony Richardson to 3.99. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.